ready to share your incredible WordPress design with the world and contribute to the vibrant WordPress community. The first crucial step in sharing your custom WordPress theme is packaging it correctly. This involves gathering all your theme files into a single, organized package that others can easily download and install. Think of it as putting your masterpiece into a neatly labeled box. Navigate to your WordPress themes directory on your local development environment or server inside. You'll find the core files that define your theme's appearance and functionality. This includes your stylex file, which contains essential theme information, as well as folders for your JavaScript, CSS, images, and any template parts that make your design unique. Now, select all the files and folders that belong to your custom theme. Be careful not to include any unnecessary files from your WordPress installation, like the WP content folder itself, or other themes you want only what's specific to your creation. Once you've selected everything, it's time to create a compressed file on most operating systems. You can do this by right-clicking on the selected files and choosing an option like Compress, Send to, and then Compressed Zipped Folder, or a similar function to create a zip archive. Give your zip file a clear and descriptive name, ideally the name of your theme followed by zip. For example, if your theme is called Awesome Design, you would name the file Awesome.zip. This makes it instantly recognizable for anyone downloading it. To test your packaged theme, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, and then Themes, click the Add New button at the top. On the next screen, you'll see an Upload Theme button. Click this to prepare for adding your packaged theme. Now click Choose File and locate the zip file of your custom theme that you just created. Select it and click Open. WordPress will then show you the theme's details. Click Install Now to upload and install your theme into your WordPress environment. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a success message to make your theme live on your site. Simply click the Activate button. Congratulations! You've successfully packaged and installed your custom WordPress theme.